Hi everyone, here we are doing the test yourself from the chapter solutions from page 105 and onwards. The first question here is define the following terms. Salute. The first one is salute. So before starting it, this chapter belongs to solution. So solution कैसे बनता है जब आप दो चीज़ों को mix करते हैं और एक homogeneous form आपके सामने आती है, that is called as solution. For example, you mix salt in water, it forms solution. You mix sugar in water, that also gives you solution. So solution means that when you mix two different things together, and one is in less quantity, the other one is in large quantity, then that gives you solution. For example, you make tea, that is also an example of solution, and the other related stuff from your normal life. So we can define it like a substance that is dissolved in a solution is called a solute. And solute की दो basic categories हो सकती हैं, soluble solute and insoluble solute. Soluble solute जो आपके solution solvent में properly mix हो जाए, thoroughly mix हो, and insoluble जिसमें आपको वो suspended और नजर आए या वो settled हो जाए. So soluble solute can be separated by boiling method, and insoluble solute can be separated by filtration method. That we are talking about water. If you are taking water as a solvent. The other term you define here is solvent. वो substance जो आपके पास ज़्यादा quantity में लिया जाता है और solute को जिसमें dissolve किया जाता है. For example, अगर आपको नमक dissolve करना है किसी चीज़ में या sugar dissolve करनी है. So the two major categories of solvents are polar solvent and non-polar solvent. And you can define it: a substance in which solute dissolves to form a solution is called a solvent. Water is considered as a universal solvent, और ये polar category से belong करता है. Now the next term here is solution. Solution एक homogeneous mixture है जब solute और solvent आपस में mix होते हैं, and you can saw different examples here when you're adding carbon dioxide and sugar into water. Now carbon dioxide and sugar you can take as solute. There are more than one or two solutes, and we are adding into solvent and they give you carbonated drink, which is a solution. Suspension is also one of the terms which belongs to this solution category, in which it forms a heterogeneous mixture. For example, if you're adding soil in water and you mix it, obviously the particles, you can clearly see that they're suspended. Or you can add sand, that also settled, it forms sedimentation. So suspension is a heterogeneous mixture in which the solid particles do not dissolve and remain suspended in the solvent. For example, muddy water, milk of magnesia, which is a syrup जो हम indigestion के issue में use करते हैं, और fog. Here we need to write certain name of solute and solvent. Gloss paint है, which dissolves in white spirit. Nail varnish है, which dissolves in propanone. And then oil है, perfumes or aftershaves में जो use होते हैं, they dissolve in alcohol. Name something that will dissolve in water. What do you call? So for example, sugar है, salt है, that dissolve in water, और इसे हम soluble solute call करते हैं. Then we have to name जो कि dissolve नहीं होता. A very common and normal living example is chalk, sand, and they are called as insoluble solute. Why fizzy drinks are produced foam? Fizzy drinks आपने जब भी कभी कार्बोनेटेड ड्रिंक को ओपन करें, चाहे वो कोई भी हो, कोक, पेप्सी, सो उसमें से आपको गैस रिलीज होती है. वो अपीरेंटली आपको उसमें से जो साउंड प्रोड्यूस होती है उससे भी पता चल रहा होता है, बबल्स प्रोड्यूस होते हैं. सो एक्चुअली ये प्रोड्यूस क्यों होती है? क्योंकि फिजी ड्रिंक्स कैसे बनती है? व्हेन यू ऐड शुगर एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इन वाटर. अब कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड जो आप ऐड कर रहे हैं, दे एडेड इन दैट लिक्विड विद वेरी मच प्रेशर. सो जब प्रेशर रिलीज होता है, जब आप कैप ओपन करते हैं तो वो प्रेशर हट जाता है. सो वो हायर प्रेशर से लोअर प्रेशर की तरफ गैस मूव करती है, जिसकी वजह से वो आपको foam produced with. So fizzy drink contain carbon dioxide that is dissolved under pressure. When the pressure is released by opening the bottle, millions of tiny carbon dioxide gas bubbles coming out of solution which produce foam. Next, explain the difference between saturated and unsaturated. The simple literal meaning of saturated and unsaturated is saturated mean which is full of solute, and unsaturated means which is not full of solute. So एक condition इसमें apply होती है, which is of temperature. So a solution in which no more amount of solute can be dissolved at particular temperature is called unsaturated solution, and a solution in which more amount of solute can be dissolved at a particular temperature is called saturated solution. Now we have to give the meaning of different terms. Filtration is here. Filtration हमें आप क्या करनी है? For example, आपने चाय बनाई है, you want to eliminate that चाय की पत्ती from that tea, तो आप क्या करते हैं? उसको filter करते हैं. So that is just a filtration which you do in lab as well, just you use filter paper. So it's a physical separation process to separate insoluble solute from solvent. फिल्ट्रेट, जब आप चाय को सीव में से पास करते हैं तो नीचे जो कप में चाय आती है आपके पास, दैट इज फिल्ट्रेट, और जो चाय की पत्ती ऊपर सीव में रुक जाती है, दैट इज अ रेजिड्यू. सो दैट डिफाइंस इन द सेम वे एज यूर इन लेबोरेटरी. So filtrate, the solution collected in the beaker after passing through filter, is called filtrate, and residue is the solid particles left on the filter paper, that is called as residue. Next is explain why filtration is not good for separating dissolved solids. देखिए जो डिजॉल्व हो चुके हैं वो तो फिल्टर पेपर में से पास ही हो जाएंगे. फॉर एग्जांपल अब नमक है, नमक बिल्कुल भी सेटल नहीं हो रहा, सस्पेंड नहीं हो रहा, वो थोड़ली डिजॉल्व है, होमोजीनियस मिक्सचर फॉर्म कर रहा है, तो ऑब्वियसली वो कैसे सेपरेट हो सकता है. So the process of filtration is suitable for separating an insoluble solid from a liquid. Filtration is not good for separating dissolved solid because dissolved solids can't be separated by filter paper. So this is all from this section.